What's up with it, big homie? Got these chops going, boy. I got these chops going. You already know what's up, boy. I got them good old chops going. What's good with you, man? You know me chilling, as you see, on my patio, whipping it. Oh, now look how ghetto I am. Guess what you think sucking out the Earl? Got that fan sucking that shit right on now, boy. Look at that. That nigga hood, nigga hood. Yeah, nigga. Wanna smoke? I wanted to smoke. I'm blowing, nigga. Look at that shit, nigga. Yeah, whooping them chops up, boy. Boy, say. Yeah, check that shit. Check, check, check that. Check, check that chop, boy. Boy, you gonna look at them chops, boy. Let me niggas get some light on them hogs, boy. See the ranch seasoning on them bitches. Shit, you gotta be just look at them hogs, boy. Boy, boy, can't fuck with me. Boy, can't fuck with that left. Then got some legs going on me. Boy, it's like, fuck with your boy. That way. You did. Get me. Be safe, hit me. Holler at your boy. Let's get this shit.